This 2024 Forest River Sandpiper 3800RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Bunker Hill, Indiana, 46914 and is offered for sale by RV Dynasty. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features Sleeps 4, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.